Hello, welcome to Back to School Night. I'm Mrs. Lang and I am your child's English teacher. I look forward to a great year with your child. It's going to be a little different, but together we'll get through it. Here's a little overview about my class. First, I teach both English 1 and ELD 2, so I've kind of mixed these things together tonight. I will send this slideshow out to you via Aries Communications, so you can view it at your leisure later as well. If we were at school right now, I'd be located in room 6. It looks a little something like this. I'm usually at the door greeting students to come in. I miss that. I miss your students very much. I'm located in the main building on our campus. Here at Anaheim, we practice the rocks. They're basic behavior expectations for inside and outside the classroom and in our community in general. Behaviors like being respectful, responsible, optimistic, community-minded, kind, and safe. In addition to our rocks at Anaheim, we have a social contract in our class. Last week we talked about what we value about ourselves as far as our character traits, what we find is our most valuable character trait. And we talked about that. And we talked about what the students need from me to bring out the best in them. All of this communication is to create a learning environment based on respect, empathy, and being civically responsible. We took these ideas and created a social contract. Some classes are still in the middle of creating theirs. But on the left side, we see how we agree to treat each other in class, online, and in our community. And on the right side, well, there are conflicts. There are times we are not going to be our best. And how do we handle those conflicts with each other? And so the students came up with some ideas about how they would like to handle conflict. And then in class, we practice these ideas. A little bit about how Schoology is set up for my students. When you open Schoology and go to materials, you'll usually find a list of folders. The top 3 folders are probably your main important ones. The top folder will always be the Tuesday, Thursday check-ins, which are labeled by date. Tuesday, Thursday check-ins should take no more than 10 minutes to complete. For my ELD students, they may take 15 minutes to complete. They should be generally anywhere from 3 to 5 questions. They could be a reflection or a small quiz. In addition, if I do a Kahoot in class and it is graded and your child missed that because either they were absent or having technical difficulties, then they can go to the SNAP Missing Kahoots page and find the Kahoot that they are missing. If they check Aries, they will find which Kahoot they are missing for a grade, and then they could find it there. And you can always email me if you have any problems. In the second folder, you'll find free tutoring and other services. You'll also find the week at a glance here, which is done for the week that has passed. So if you were absent sometime last week, you can go back there and review. Our third folder is the folder that we are currently in. It is the unit that we are in, and I've labeled it by unit, name, and the date. For example, social justice, and the date being September 1st to October 30th. Inside, you will find assignments and subfolders for units that we are working on within. For my English 1 class, they will be using No Red Ink, and they will find their No Red Ink assignments labeled by month. On that page will be all the assignments for that month. Each folder is labeled by date and unit. Just remember, you're always looking for the date. And assignments will have the word assignment next to it and the due date, so you know what is an assignment and when it is due. In class, we will be learning a lot of new online tools. One of them is Kami that will help us read and annotate.
This is Kami, an app where you can annotate and collaborate on PDFs or any type of documents interactively. Let's take a quick look at how Kami could be your digital pen and paper in the classroom. It all starts by opening a document. Mark this line and that one. This passage seems crucial. Strike that. Make a note. Make yourself heard. Express yourself. Filling in the blanks is such a breeze. That wasn't right. Ah, there we go. You could also collaborate with countless amounts of users within your classroom in real time. Hold up.
So that is a little bit about Kami, and we will be learning that tool in a little while. Some other learning devices used in class are Nearpod, Kahoot, and for my English 1 students, No Red Ink. A little bit about Nearpod.
Introducing Nearpod. With Nearpod, you can make every lesson interactive. Launch lessons your students can't wait to join with collaborative, engaging activities like virtual reality, simulations, and gamified quizzes.
We have Kahoot.
Hi, we're Kahoot. We're on a mission to make learning awesome. Our game-based learning platform is used by millions of people all over the world. Teachers, students, company employees, and lifelong learners. Kahoot makes it easy to create fun learning games or trivia quizzes.
And we have No Red Ink for my English 1 classes.
Welcome to No Red Ink, an online program designed to help you improve your writing and grammar skills. This video will help you get started by showing you a few key areas of the site that you'll be using. The first time that you sign in to No Red Ink, you'll be asked to select topics that you're interested in before you can view your assignments. Make selections until the green bar at the top of your screen is full. Names of the famous people or characters that you choose will show up in the
We also will be using Flipgrid for speaking.
Did you know about Flipgrid? Flipgrid is a tool that allows teachers and students to use their smart devices, as well as their computers, to share video chat discussions. What you are seeing here is an example of Flipgrid. What you should know is that Flipgrid also integrates with Kami.
And for my ELD students, they will be using Flex.
SRA Flex Literacy transforms today's classrooms. By design, 3 experiences combine the best of teacher-led and computer-based instruction.
You can view those a little bit more when I send this out on its own. For the ELD2 students, they'll be doing the digital experience. If you have any questions, you can always reach me by email at lang_c@auhsd.us. That's a little bit about what we'll be doing in school this semester. I look forward to working with your students. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thank you.